There's a Shikra sitting right there. Let me see if I can get some shots. I'll try to get some videos. I don't think I can. It's a fast motherfucker.
As autumn blows out, the grasslands shed their Kash bloom mantle. With the shift of seasons, a quiet yet profound change begins. Winter's whispers bring the early migrants, filling the grasslands with anticipation and life. Meet the Bengal Bushlark, warming itself in this soft yet golden glow. For it, this morning warmth is a blessing, a prelude to the cooler days ahead. Watching over the field with quiet elegance, the egret stands like a guardian. Unbothered, it observes the land with patience, waiting for its chance out of a meal. But it's not just the birds that add life to these grasslands. Here, a mongoose pair searches in search of food, navigating the undergrowth with boundless energy. And this one finds success, snagging a locust in a swift, silent move, showing nature's balance at play, a reminder of the delicate web of survival. Then came rain, courtesy to Cyclone Dana. Yet, even in the downpour, life persists. A green beater braves the drizzle, feathers soaked yet resolute. Nature's resilience knows no boundaries. The Lesser Coucal, on the other hand, hasn't quite adjusted to the morning rush. Nestled in grass, it mirrors the feeling of an early commuter reluctant to start the day.
I'm going behind the Siberian stone chat right now. Sitting right on a clean perch in front of me with very good lighting. Let's see. I think it got something. Shit, it flew away.
Then there is the stone chat, embracing the perfect perch and basking in the light, its colors vivid and bright. It's as if every ray of sun tells a story of hope, of a season transforming before our eyes.
Welcome to the day when luck doesn't give you a favor. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. About to leave. I came expecting some pile harriers, maybe some marsh harriers, some other raptors like great eagles or something, but unfortunately I did not see any. Got a Shikra, but that's common. That's an year-round thing here. Either I'm very unlucky, which is I am, or the habitat of this zone has degraded for big raptors to survive.
As autumn fades, the grasslands prepare for what lies ahead. With each dawn, each visitor, each silent witness to the season's change, we are reminded that nature's journey is a constant wonder. Until next time, in the dance of seasons. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.